When you have not chosen a neighborhood garage door repair or installation company, consider calling my company today. We will be able to turn out, give you an assessment, and schedule a time to get this done meet your needs. My business is far more than willing to travel to areas outside this community, so we offer very economical rates. For additional information about my business, give us a call directly by telephone or visit our MAG Garage Door Installation Garfield NJ website. When you have set a consultation with my business, it is possible to feel positive that we are going to do the job.